Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon Zoemini, and I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to your smartphone. To do it, firstly you need to charge your printer. To do it, you need to connect it to the micro USB charger. And then you need to open the cover and install the zinc cards. So here I have the zinc cards. Wait a while. As you can see it here, I have the zinc cards here, zinc cards, and now we will set it up. So to set it up, first we need to open the cover. Here we have the arrow, and using this arrow we can know in which side we need to drag. And then here, as you can see, we have the paper cards. We have the blue card to calibrate our printer. You need to set this card in this way. Now I'll show you. In this way. It's no reason with which side you will do it, but it's very important to set it up in this way. Okay, cool. And the glance part of your paper cards needs to be located in this way. And cool. And then just install these paper cards. Try to don't touch on this side of the paper, because it can damage your paper cards, and the quality of the printing will be damaged too. So cool. Close the cover and then open the Mini Print Canon application. Click skip all. You can create the account, or you can continue without the account. On the right top corner of the screen, click on plus button and click add new printer. And here you will see the list of available printers. But now, as you can see, my Zoemini is disabled, so I need to press and hold on this button until I will see my printer here. I will try again. Disabling and enabling again. Press and hold. Okay, and as you can see here, I have the Canon Mini Printer, so click on it. Sometimes it's impossible to do it with the first try. So sometimes you just need to try to do it several times, because the Bluetooth connection sometimes is not too stable as we want, as you know. So sometimes we just need to try several times. So in my situation, as you can see, I need to try again. So disable the Canon Mini Zoe and press and hold again. Okay, click Canon and try to connect. And you need to be patient, and sometimes you need to know that sometimes if your printer is connected to the other Android device or other iOS device, it's impossible to connect to the new device. So you need to disable Bluetooth on the other device and then try to connect. Okay, so now here, as you can see, we have the Canon printer and we can start to print. So just choose any photo you want to print. For example, Ryan Gosling. Here you can choose stickers, filters, I don't know. You can rotate, you can draw something, you can adjust. So here you have the photo editor. Maybe not advanced, but it's normal photo editor. And click print. Firstly, this printer needs to calibrate the printer part. So wait a while. Cool. As you can see, here is my paper card, and now wait. And cool, Ryan Gosling is here. So thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!